So good morning, everyone. I am Sales, a student of BTech Computer Science Institute, is present in front of all of you to represent or present my OS project. As you can see, my interface. Here is written system call. My project is based on system calls. Before starting, I would like to introduce you to what is system call. As for the introduction, I will say a system call is a mechanism that allows a user level program to communicate with the system with operating system kernel also. Since user application cannot directly access hardware resource like memory, files, or process, they rely on system call as a safe interface. In simple terms, whenever a program wants to perform operation such as read a file, creating a process, allocating a map, communicating over a net, it uses system call. System call are essential because they ensure security, stability, control, access to the system resources. They act as a bridge between user space and kernel space. There are different type of system calls, introducing file management, process control, memory management, device management. Example, including read, fork, and execution. In this project, I have created a simulation of a system call where user can interact with different system level operation through a web page interface. Now moving towards my project, as you can see, there is an interface of system secure OS simulation project version 1. Here I will log in admin user as an admin user. You can see here, let me refresh this. We will go to system call audit logs to clear logs. We will clear all. Now moving to the dashboards. You can see, here is a dashboard. You can see there is welcome back administrator role admin. In this, you can see there are total calls, zero successful, eight failed attempts, six system calls. And now here is the activity. Here you can see after you will run system one, there will be a graph. Here will be the accuracy. There you can see the recent activities. Moving towards the system calls. File. While you can see I have provided the information about this file. Read content from a virtual file system path. os.txt is a file. Execute file. You can see the system call is run successfully. In audit log, you can check system call run successfully. One total, one successful, zero failed. Here you can see the sorted. Here all status successful and failed. Action, file read, file write, process creation. Now moving towards my system call. Here you can see the dashboard. So all looks because there is one successful. Now moving towards the another system file write. We will write os.txt. Now we will write the content of the file. Let me write anything. Execute. The file write execute. This means file is successful. Now moving towards another process system call, that is process create. Process create. We have given a definition, small definition, spawn a new simulation process in the system. My process, OS, process. We will select priority. There are three priorities. Low means the lowest priority. If there are two processes running together, one is low and one is high, the high will run first and get completed first. Then it will come to the low. If there is three, high, normal, then it will go in a series. First high will run, then complete, normal will run, then complete, low will run, then now I will select high priority, execution, then successful. Now we will go to audit log. You can see three system logs. One was of file read, another one is of file write, the another one is a process create that we have done recently. Three successful. Now in dashboard, there is still 100% accuracy. Now moving toward the process flow. Process can get kills the process through its process ID. I will let process ID execute. Process executed successfully. Moving towards the audit log, you can see there is status success of process kill. The timestamp. Four total, four success. Dashboard, 100% success rate. Moving towards another system log, memory allocation, KB 0.24. If I have allocated how much memory I have to allocate. Memory allocation executed. Now, this means the system call is done successfully. Audit log 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 total system calls. Last one of memory allocation. 5 success. Timestamp. Now, we will move towards the last system call, network socket. Open a virtual network socket connection. IP address, port number, execute. System call execute successfully. Now moving towards the audit log. You can see in audit log we can see all the system call we have done. Well, 6 system calls are there. 6 are successful. Now let's just take an example of failure attempt. Here I will write J. You can see it will give any file path is missing. Audit log. You can see error file path parameter path failed. Now if we will sort that this file right, all are success. We have done file read, one successful and one failed. Here is both. Now we will sort them in success. One success is given, another is failed. Now let's check the accuracy in my dashboard. Here you can see the graph. These two are together because these two are of same system call. One is successful, another is failed. Now accuracy has decreased to 86% success rate with 7 calls, 6 successful, 1 failed. Here you can see the recent activities. So the audit log page is completed. Now moving towards the setting. Here you can see all the information about the user account, name, username, admin, administrator, role, and user ID 1. Here we can change the theme, light to dark. Authentication, JVR with token. Token get expired every 8 hours. Rate limit 20 calls per minute, not more than that. Here we can see the permission. File read is given both user and admin. File write is also given to the both. Process creation is also given to them. Now moving towards the process kill, it is only given to the admin due to safety reasons. Memory allocation is given to both admin and user. Network socket is also given only given to the admin only. Here you can see the platform name and version. Backend use Node.js and Express. Database uses JSON files too. Now I will log out and go to the regular user. Here you can see the previous data has been shown. Now moving towards the system call, there is only one difference of restriction. In previous there are 6 accessible and 0 restricted. Here you can see in user module 4 accessible, 2 restricted. Process kill, admin only, network socket, admin. Audit log remains same, setting same. Only the ID and role and display name changes. So here I comes to end of our project. Hope you like it. Thank you everyone for seeing this video.